Hey everyone, welcome back to GripRite Tools. Today we're checking out the top 10 best cordless impact drivers for tackling everything from deck building to automotive work. If you've ever struggled with stripped screws or slow fastening, the right impact driver changes everything. I've tested these on torque, battery life, and ergonomics so you don't have to. And trust me, you'll want to see this. Some of these models deliver insane power in surprisingly compact frames, plus brushless motors that run cooler and longer. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. DEKOPRO. The DEKOPRO tool set is perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a reliable all-in-one solution for everyday repairs and projects. Featuring a robust 108-piece collection of chrome vanadium steel sockets and drive tools, it also includes essential screwdrivers, hex keys, and pliers, all crafted for lasting durability and precision. Made from high-quality materials with a corrosion-resistant finish, this set ensures you have the right tool for tasks ranging from furniture assembly to basic automotive maintenance. Its compact, organized carrying case keeps everything accessible and secure, making storage effortless. Whether you are a seasoned handyman or a beginner tackling home improvements, the DEKOPRO set delivers professional-grade performance and value, making it an essential addition to any toolbox or household. LAZYLAND. The LAZYLAND is perfect for anyone craving ultimate relaxation without sacrificing style or comfort in their living space. Featuring an ultra-soft, plush fabric that cradles your body, this versatile lounger is made from premium memory foam that molds to your shape for personalized support. Equipped with a lightweight, foldable design, it effortlessly transitions from a cozy chair to a sprawling floor bed, making it ideal for reading, napping, or gaming. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the machine-washable cover keeps maintenance effortless. Whether you are unwinding after a long day or hosting a casual movie night, the LAZYLAND combines practicality with luxurious comfort. Compact enough to fit any room, it is an essential addition for anyone who values relaxation and convenience in their daily routine. TaskStar. TaskStar is the perfect productivity tool for professionals, students, and anyone seeking to master their daily schedule with effortless precision. Featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, this sleek application allows you to organize tasks, set priorities, and track deadlines in real time. Made from cutting-edge cloud technology, TaskStar syncs seamlessly across all your devices, ensuring your to-do list is always up to date, whether you are at your desk or on the go. Its smart notification system gently reminds you of upcoming commitments, reducing stress and boosting efficiency without overwhelming you. Lightweight and fast, the software never slows down your system, making it ideal for busy multitaskers. With customizable themes and a clean, uncluttered layout, TaskStar transforms chaotic workflows into streamlined success. Robustrue. The Robustrue is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and tradespeople who demand unwavering durability and practical design in their everyday gear. Featuring military-grade construction and reinforced stitching, this tool is built to withstand extreme conditions without compromising performance. Made from high-impact materials, it offers superior resistance to drops, moisture, and corrosion, ensuring longevity in the harshest environments. Equipped with an ergonomic, non-slip grip, it provides exceptional control and comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand fatigue significantly. Its compact, lightweight build makes it easy to carry in a pocket or pack without adding bulk. Whether you are tackling a rugged worksite or a weekend adventure, the Robustrue combines resilience, reliability, and refined utility, making it an essential companion for anyone who refuses to compromise on quality. Seesii. The Seesii product line is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision and reliability in their power tools. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, these tools deliver superior torque and extended runtime while remaining exceptionally quiet and efficient. Made from high-grade materials, Seesii tools are built for durability, ensuring they withstand rigorous daily use on any job site. Equipped with ergonomic handles and compact designs, they reduce user fatigue and allow for comfortable operation in tight spaces. Whether you are tackling home repairs or complex automotive projects, Seesii combines power, portability, and longevity in a sleek package. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and store, while the robust performance guarantees professional-grade results every time. AVID Power. The AVID power drill is the perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners seeking reliable performance and versatility in one sleek package. Featuring a variable speed trigger and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, this drill delivers precise control for driving screws or boring holes into wood, plastic, and metal. Made from durable materials with a lightweight design, it offers superior comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use, while its ergonomic rubber grip enhances handling and stability. Equipped with a powerful motor and a built-in LED light, it illuminates dark workspaces for accurate drilling. Whether you are assembling furniture or tackling home repairs, the AVID power drill combines practicality with essential features, making it an indispensable addition to any toolkit. CRAFTSMAN PH2. The CRAFTSMAN PH2 is the perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision and durability in every fastening task. Featuring a precision machine tip that ensures a snug, slip-resistant fit into Phillips No. 2 screws, this driver bit minimizes cam-out and protects screw heads from damage during use. Made from heat-treated S2 steel, it offers exceptional hardness and torque resistance, allowing it to withstand high-stress applications without breaking or wearing down prematurely. Its robust build quality ensures long-lasting performance even in demanding workshop or job site conditions. Whether you are assembling furniture, installing hardware, or tackling automotive repairs, the CRAFTSMAN PH2 delivers consistent, reliable driving power. Compact and easy to store, it is an essential addition to any tool collection for anyone who values efficiency and professional-grade results. GALAX Pro. The GALAX Pro is the perfect solution for professionals and creators who demand top-tier performance and reliability in their daily workflow. Featuring a cutting-edge processor and advanced thermal management system, this device delivers seamless multitasking and sustained high-speed operation without overheating. Made from a premium aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it offers exceptional durability while maintaining a remarkably lightweight and slim profile at just over 3 pounds. Its high-resolution display ensures vibrant color accuracy, making it ideal for graphic design, video editing, and data-intensive applications. Whether you are working in a studio or on the go, the GALAX Pro combines power, portability, and precision engineering. Its robust battery life and intuitive interface make it an essential tool for anyone serious about productivity and creative excellence. DEWALT. The DEWALT brand is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who demand unwavering reliability and peak performance from their tools. Featuring rugged construction with high-impact housings and powerful motors, every DEWALT tool is engineered to withstand the toughest job site conditions. Made from premium materials, these tools deliver superior durability and longevity, ensuring consistent results project after project. Equipped with advanced technologies like brushless motors and optimized ergonomics, users experience increased efficiency, extended runtime, and less fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you are framing a house or building a deck, the thoughtful design provides excellent balance and control. Its robust build quality and trusted reputation make DEWALT an essential choice for anyone seeking professional-grade power and lasting dependability in their workshop or on the job. CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless power tool system is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking reliable, high-performance solutions for a wide range of projects. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this innovative platform delivers exceptional runtime and durability, ensuring you can tackle tough jobs without frequent battery swaps. Made from rugged, impact-resistant materials, each tool is built to withstand the demands of a busy workshop or job site. Equipped with a versatile lithium-ion battery system, the V20 lineup offers seamless compatibility across drills, saws, and more, allowing for effortless tool changes. Its lightweight design reduces user fatigue, while the ergonomic grip provides superior comfort and control during extended use.